Let us do another example. This one is of a peculiar nature. We are given a parallel plate system of capacitance 5 microfarad and the charges given on the plate are 60 microcoulomb like this, and this system is connected to a battery of 10 volts. Now till now this question we have to calculate the heat produced. So till now this question does not seem to have any peculiar thing about it, just like I said. Let us find out the initial values. Now the initial charge is 60 microcoulomb, so that means the initial potential difference can be found out by using the formula Q equals to CV. So V will be equal to Q upon C, so 60 upon 5. Now if we calculate this, we get the value which makes this question important, and this value is equal to 12 volt. Now this potential difference between plate is greater than the potential difference that is applied. Now what happens in this situation? So this is the important part of the question. So the initial potential difference between the plate is 12 volt, and when connected to the battery, the potential difference in steady state will be equal to 10 volt, because we know when the battery is connected, the system will achieve a steady state in which the potential difference between the plates will be equal to the potential difference of the battery. So that means we have to reduce the 12 volt potential difference to 10 volt. So in this question, instead of work done by the battery on the system will do work on the battery. So there is a difference of plus and minus sign here. In this question, the battery will not do the work. Instead, this system will do work on the battery. Now, let us say to achieve the steady state of this, our final potential has to be 10 volt because the battery is 10 volt. So if this is the final potential difference, then the final charge between the plates has to be Q equals to CV. So 5 into 10, so that is 50 microcoulomb. So that means the 10 microcoulomb of charge has to be removed here. Initial is 60 and final has to be 50. So the work done is delta Q into V, the final. So delta Q, since we are removing 10 coulomb of charge, so we can calculate from here 50 minus 60, so it is minus 10. So delta Q is minus 10 multiplied by the final potential, which is 10. So work done is minus 100 microjoules. Now this minus sign signifies that the work done is by the capacitor plates on the battery. So this is the important part of this question. Now we can calculate the initial and final energies. So initial energy, by using this formula, there was a charge of 60 microcoulomb initially, so 60 square upon 5. So this will come out to be 360 microjoules. And the final, when the charge will be 50, so half into 50 square upon 5, so this will come out to be 250 microjoules. So the difference in energy, the final minus initial energy, will be equal to 250 minus 360, so this will be minus 110 microjoules. So that means the potential energy or the energy of the system is decreasing after connecting to the battery. So in this case, heat produced will be, this is the general formula. So heat produced will be work done. So work done was minus 100 and minus of minus 110. So this will come out to be 10 microjoules. This will be your final answer. So in this question, again, the important thing is to find out the initial potential difference between the plates and to check what the final potential difference has to be, and then you can do as we have done in every question.